Coca Cola, a recipe to cure Pemberton's addiction. Coca Cola was born from John Pemberton's morphine addiction. John Pemberton, a Civil War veteran from the United States, transformed his morphine addiction into the world's most popular soft drink. John Pemberton, a Georgia native with a wife and a son, saw his life turned upside down when the country was engulfed in civil war, as did most people. Pemberton served as a lieutenant colonel in the 3rd Georgia Cavalry Unit after enlisting in the Confederate Army. On April 16, 1865, he was present at the Battle of Columbus, Wilson's final raid on Southern manufacturing centers and, according to many, the final battle of the war. Pemberton was stabbed in the chest with a saber during the combat. He rapidly developed a morphine addiction as a result of the terrible agony he suffered during his rehabilitation. When his experience as a pharmacist began to experiment with the coca plant, which would eventually become the source of cocaine, he drew in an attempt to break the habit. He settled on the mix of coca extract and cola nuts after a lot of trial and error. He knew it would be highly popular as soon as he tasted it. Pemberton made a syrup from the materials and carried a jug to the local pharmacy, where it was well received. His innovation was finally released as a therapeutic brain tonic after adding the syrup to carbonated water and enlisting the support of a pharmacy owner to help him get the mixture just right. After a few days, the public was drinking the drink for 5 cents each glass. It was regarded as a simple soda fountain drink. A catchy name was needed for the popular product, which advertiser Frank Mason Robinson created by combining the names of the 2 primary ingredients Coca Cola. The Coca Cola Company and its delectable product became a huge hit. Pemberton's invention, unfortunately, was no substitute for morphine. Despite the wealth, his expensive addiction deserted him. In danger of becoming bankrupt, he had no choice but to begin selling off firm assets, as well as the recipe's rights. Other businesses were permitted to duplicate the formula, but not the name. Pemberton was confident in the drink's future, and he wanted his son Charlie to profit from the brand's success. Charlie was not interested in waiting for the future. Rather than making a quick buck, he was interested in it. In 1888, he and his father sold the remaining share of the patent to Asa Candler, a merchant. John died of stomach cancer in August of that year, not long after losing what was remained of his legacy. All the way to the end, he felt the weight of his morphine addiction. The Pendergast family was plagued by addiction. Charlie died 6 years after his father due to an alcohol and opium addiction. In the meantime, the Coca-Cola Company morphed into the Coca-Cola Company, the world's most successful soft drink company. Unfortunately, no matter how lucrative Coca-Cola was, it was ultimately a failure for John Pemberton since it was not a solution for addiction. Thank you for watching this video, and please like it and subscribe to Could Be Anything channel.